Project managers, as many do, they have their preferred tool they want to work in, right? Some like Project for the web, some like Project Pro, and the ones who do like Project Pro usually don't want to get off it. So the fact that we were able to just pull those existing project plans into OnePlan was a huge draw for us because it was extremely helpful. Like, you didn't have to create plans from scratch and drop them in. You could just sync them up. And it really just allows the project managers to work within their comfort zone, which is nice. And we're a Microsoft tenant as well, so it's really everything just talks to each other. Right?
You already have integrations to the Microsoft products that we use, Teams and SharePoint and Planner, and that's fantastic. There's already an integration to Azure DevOps. There's an integration to Active Directory. There's an integration to WorkPlan Financials. So those are some of the key factors that helped us decide on OnePlan.
Plus, we're a Microsoft shop. We're doing a lot of integrations with Teams, Power Apps, Power BI. So those integrations are very important. Already out of the box they had. We just had to kind of connect the two dots, if you will.
The way OnePlan tightly integrated with Office 365 tools was a huge plus for us. And we are a big Office 365 shop, so we had rolled out Teams and everybody was on Teams. People were using SharePoint, right? So we saw the ability to kind of like increase adoption of those collaboration tools from a delivery standpoint by integrating OnePlan with them. And that's exactly what we did.
But I think the integration with the Microsoft OnePlan was kind of the winner. Like, we didn't hunt too much into the other products, and we started using Teams quite a bit, so we wanted a solution that works really well, with that. And of course, we had leadership as well, and they were in favor of OnePlan. I mean, it's a one-stop shop for us for project management.
Also, the integration with the Microsoft technologies we were just about to start implementing was very beneficial. That allowed us to eliminate any potential overlaps or redundancies that other solutions were going to be bringing forward. So between value and capability, OnePlan came out the winner.
The interface is very intuitive, ability to integrate with the Office 365 suite, especially MS Teams. Also the ability for OnePlan to extend it with the MS Power Platform.
So Microsoft is where we kind of like we're leading to just as a company, so we could get on Teams and use Outlook and all their platform of tools. And then we also figured if we were going to do that, we also knew we were going to have to advance our project management systems to get where we wanted to as we scaled. Leaned towards consolidating on some sort of Microsoft framework. And that's when we actually just kind of like bumped into OnePlan. It was like a lucky find, if you want to call it that. It fit the need really well. And then once we kind of figured out how we were going to merge the whole transition into that Microsoft platform, we just built OnePlan in as part of that scope.
So many different organizations are trying to solve the same problem, and I think that OnePlan's relationship with Microsoft and other organizations that specialize with PPM helps them to have the right type of knowledge.